this is Brittany with WTI, and this just might be my most versatile piece in my wardrobe because it can go from being a top to a dress to a cover-up to anything you possibly want it to be. It is a button-down. Let me give you a little peek at the details. It's silky, okay? So it's not like crisp. It's silky and flowy, and it does have the 3/4 length sleeves, buttons. It has the little pockets. You can also tie it up and do it just as a shirt, or it can be a cover-up, or you can put it over biker shorts, whatever your heart's desire. I'm telling you, I take this on my trips all the time because it is so versatile, and it comes in so handy having it because whatever the needs are of that trip, this top has got me covered. And that's my point of view.